living things can be put into three main groups: animals, plants, and microorganisms. They have different key features that help us to differentiate between them. For example, animals can't produce their own food. They get their energy by eating other animals or plants. Plants can produce their own food. And microorganisms are very small. In this video, we will look at the animal group. Animals can either be vertebrates or invertebrates. Vertebrates are animals that have a backbone. Invertebrates are animals that don't have a backbone. There are 5 groups of vertebrates: mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish. Mammals have body hair or fur. They use their lungs to breathe. Mammals are born live and they drink milk. A mammal's body temperature is usually stable. Therefore, they are warm-blooded animals. An example of a mammal is a lion. Birds. Birds have feathers and they use their lungs to breathe. Birds lay eggs and their temperature is usually stable. Therefore, they are warm-blooded animals. For example, an eagle. Reptiles have scales. They use their lungs to breathe. Reptiles also lay eggs and their body temperature changes. Therefore, they are cold-blooded animals. For example, a snake. Amphibians have damp skin. First, they use their gills to breathe and then lungs. Amphibians lay soft eggs in water and their body temperature changes. Therefore, they are cold-blooded animals. For example, a frog. Fish have scales and they use their gills to breathe. Fish lay soft eggs in water and their temperature changes. Therefore, they are cold-blooded animals. There are also different types of invertebrates which we can put into groups. For example, invertebrates with 6 legs, invertebrates with more than 6 legs, invertebrates without legs. Invertebrates without legs can be grouped into worm-like or not worm-like. The 6 groups are mollusks, arthropods, worms, cnidarians, echinoderms, sponges. Mollusks. There are many different types of mollusks. Some have shells for protection and others don't. For example, snails, squid, and oysters. Arthropods live on land. There are many different types of arthropods. For example, ants, spiders, crabs, millipedes. Arthropods can have different numbers of jointed legs. Some have 6, some have 8, some have 10, and some have even more than 10. They also have an exoskeleton. Worms have a long soft body and moist skin. The jellyfish group is also known as cnidarians. These are marine animals that usually have tentacles with stinging cells. They use these to capture food. Examples are jellyfish and polyp. Echinoderms. Echinoderms are marine animals, for example, starfish. Sponges are also known as poriferans. These invertebrates are found in deep water and they have pores and can't swim.